traveling to Hong Kong soon with your kids? Disneyland Hotel is one for the books. A sure hit for both kids and kids at heart. Hong Kong International Airport and Disneyland Hotel are both located in Lantau Island. Disneyland Hotel is located approximately 15 kilometers away from Hong Kong International Airport. There are several ways to reach the hotel from the airport: via bus, taxi, a chartered service, or subway. The taxi is the fastest and most convenient way to go. If you are traveling as a group of 4, 1,600 taxi fare is technically 400 pesos per person. Obviously cheaper than taking the bus or MRT. Less the hassle of dragging heavy luggages down the subway stations or when hopping on and off the bus. A smart choice, most especially when traveling with young kids or seniors. Disneyland Hotel is within the vast complex of Hong Kong Disneyland Resort with close proximity to Disneyland theme park. For convenience, a free shuttle service is provided for hotel guests, making the transfer to and from Disney hotels to Disneyland Park smooth and easy. Winner! Disneyland Hotel, by the way, is one of the 3 Disney hotels in the vicinity. The other 2 hotels are Disney's Hollywood Hotel and Disney's Explorers Lodge. Each displays a distinct theme that makes one differently unique from the other. Among the 3, Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel is an epitome of timeless elegance. It exudes a classy and a sophisticated charm. It stands on reclaimed land, boasting a Victorian-inspired architecture, flaunting a beautifully maintained English maze garden, gracefully facing the shores of South China Sea. As the hotel doors opened, a familiar Disney melody welcomed us in, serenading our way towards a lucratively designed lobby. The centrally located lobby with high ceiling is extravagantly and tastefully decorated with sophisticated chandeliers. The chandeliers illuminated an amber ambience, blending with the natural light shining from the huge glass windows overlooking the garden and the sea. Halatang enjoy si Kumari Nuker. Maganda, malinis, convenient, relaxing. 4 checks. But wait, there's more! Customer service, room tour, food review, practical kaya magstay sa hotel na ito, price reveal sa huli. Bet? Palambing, notification bell, Mare. Huwag kalimutan, please. For an ultimate Disneyland Hotel experience, we booked a Kingdom Club room for a 2-night, 3-day stay at Disneyland Hotel. Enticing kasi ang exclusive services and amenities provided to Kingdom Club guests, which include express check-in and check-out services, plus special activities like craft making, Disney characters meet and greet in pajamas, and bedtime story session. The best part is the access to Kingdom Club dining from breakfast until evening. O diba? Cookies, fruits, yogurt, soda, beer, and wine. These are all unlimited and free. An absolutely winning deal for our family. One for the books experience, ika nga for our kids. So technically, a perfect budol. Kingdom Club rooms and suites are located at the 7th floor. A designated elevator brings guests straight to the Kingdom Club level. Pansamantalang feeling VIP ang person. Kahit panandalian lang, nakaka-happy balik-balikan ng mga ganitong klase ng experience. Grateful at naranasan namin ito as a family. Kailan kaya mauulit? Ang haba ng segue? Ang tour na?
Bubungad ang vintage-style console table pagpasok, while on the opposite side is a clean marble bathroom. An elegant bathroom sink separates the shower from the toilet and tub. Enough supply of body wash, shampoo, conditioner, lotion, dental kit, razor, and all the usual essential toiletries are available and are replenished every day. Hair dryer is also available. Only thing missing? Bidet. Take note! Malaking cabinet pagpasok. Nasa loob niyan ang provided na robes and slippers. Coffee and tea making area naman ng katabi. Down below is the minibar. Pwede mong inumin at kainin ang mga nakalagay dyan. No extra charge. Maganda, maaliwalas, spacious. May office table and flat screen TV pa. May separate vanity area din just outside the bathroom. Quiet time ba? With a relaxing view? Tara, sa balcony tayo. Pasado ba sa standards mo? May pa-welcome fruits sa room. But wait, there's more. Access to Kingdom Club Lounge is a perk only available to guests staying in the Kingdom Club rooms and suite. The lounge provides complimentary dining from early in the morning to late in the evening. Breakfast starts at 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., where a spread of fresh pastries, fruits, and the usual breakfast favorites like cereals, pancakes, eggs, sausage, bacon, salad, porridge, dim sum, cold cuts, a variety of beverages such as juice, coffee, tea, and so much more. For the benefit of everyone listening, I just want to mention that the spread of food in the Kingdom Club dining is not as much as what you have in Enchanted Garden restaurant. But what else can you say? The spread is good enough for free. Diba? Leisure moments follow after breakfast. Assorted cookies, seasonal fruits, and beverages. These food are always available for snacks from 11 a.m. till 5 p.m. Light dinner naman is available from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. This is the sunset hour, where they serve a selection of few appetizers for hors d'oeuvre, soup, dessert with a variety of complimentary beer and wine. Again, very few selections, but what else can you say? It's free. Another perk is evening turn down. Our 2 double beds are neatly fixed for a relaxing bedtime rest. A comfortable sleep indeed for a family of 4. Disclaimer lang mga mare ha, staying in the Kingdom Club for the extra perks is a choice. You can always consider the Disneyland Hotel's standard room, where the same amenities such as access to the gym, to the indoor and outdoor pools, to the kids' playroom, and the Tai Chi with Goofy are also accessible and available. There is always a practical option mga mare na pasok sa budget. Speaking of budget mga mare, just in case na naubusan kayo ng cash, merong mga ATM machines na available sa hotel kung saan pwede kayong mag-withdraw. So to sum it up, the primary deal for us in choosing Disneyland Hotel among others was comfort and convenience because of its proximity to the park and the free shuttle services. Why Kingdom Club then? Because of the complimentary food and of course the little perks for the ultimate Disney experience ng mga anak ko. Di naman sila forever young, ano? As promised, I will be disclosing the cost of this stay. We booked the Kingdom Club room for a 3-day, 2-night stay at Agoda. This is after a thorough deliberation comparing the existing packages from Disneyland website. Lumalabas na cheaper if we book the room separately from the park tickets. Should you wish to do your own math, this is the format I used in tabulating down the expenses in aid of comparison. I hope that helps, Kumari! As always, it is my pleasure to share. Please do not forget to tick the like button if you find this content informative and hit subscribe to encourage me to do more and the notification bell to get updates. Thank you!